take any brush that you have, make sure it's clean, and while it's still wet, just roll it.
I got the brushes. Let's clean them up with alcohol. I have a collection of lash curlers and have thrown so many out of frustration. Average eyelashes, and this is a mascara from this morning. Just gonna try this technique, see if it works, so stay focused. Okay, I remove as much as I could. This is a twister man. And curl. And I hate this part because it hurts. So next is the mascara. Just grab whatever mascara you have. This is the Steel Lauder. So just apply as normal. And we're just gonna do one eye with that technique. So I'm just gonna do as I normally do, just one coat, and then the other side. So that is what my normal eyes look like after mascara, and that's it. I'm out the door. So go like on the other side of your eyelashes and go from the root to the end like this, like roll it up and roll and roll. I'm going to eliminate any kind of extra powder that have fallen on your eyelashes from your eyeshadow, and now you have an extra layer there. Okay, next, while it's still wet, you're going to roll them back, like push them back with a brush, like any brush, like eyeshadow brush. Just roll them back, roll them back. Now we let them, oh, I'm already seeing the difference. Okay, so now I am going to let them dry. Don't touch them anymore. Let them dry. No, accelerate the process. Dry, dry, dry. And now that they are dry, I'm going to use my finger to push them back. I've never done this. Just so you using your fingers. That's just, the fingers are your tools. And push them back. Mother of God, that actually worked. That actually worked. That actually worked. Thank you, Tara. So this is what I normally look like, and this is what I'm gonna be looking like from now on. Watch out. Here's a scary close-up. This is my normal way. This is my new way.